Critically analyze the role of data visualization in presentations. How can charts, graphs, and diagrams be effectively used to convey information and support key messages? Data visualization plays a crucial role in presentations by transforming complex data into easily understandable visual representations such as charts, graphs, and diagrams. Here's a critical analysis of its role and effectiveness. Role of data visualization. Data visualization enhances presentations by 1. Enhancing clarity. Visual representations simplify complex data sets, making trends, patterns, and relationships more accessible and understandable to the audience. To facilitating decision making, charts and graphs enable stakeholders to quickly grasp insights, aiding in informed decision-making based on data-driven evidence. 3. Engaging audiences. Visuals are inherently more engaging than raw data, capturing audience attention and improving retention of key messages. 4. Supporting storytelling. Visualizations help presenters tell compelling stories by illustrating narratives with impactful data points and comparisons. Effective use of charts, graphs, and diagrams to effectively convey information and support key messages. Presenters should consider times choosing appropriate visuals, selecting the right type of chart or graph, example bar chart, line graph, pie chart, that best represents the data and emphasizes the message. Times simplifying complexity, ensuring visuals are clear, concise, and focused on the main message without overwhelming the audience with unnecessary details. Times adding context, providing context and annotations to explain the significance of data points and trends shown in the visualizations. Times using consistent formatting, maintaining consistent color schemes, labels, and scales across visuals to enhance comprehension and visual appeal. In summary, data visualization in presentations transforms data into actionable insights, enhances communication effectiveness, and empowers decision makers with clear, persuasive information. Predict the future trends in spreadsheet and presentation software functionalities. How might advancements in technology impact the way these tools are used in business and education? Advancements in technology are likely to drive significant changes in spreadsheet and presentation software functionalities, impacting their use in business and education in several ways. Future trends in spreadsheet and presentation software. 1. Integration of AI and automation. Spreadsheets and presentation tools may incorporate artificial intelligence (AI) to automate data analysis, suggest insights, and generate dynamic presentations based on real-time data. 2. Enhanced collaboration features. Future software versions may focus on improving collaborative capabilities, allowing multiple users to edit spreadsheets or presentations simultaneously in real time from different locations. 3. Interactive and dynamic visualizations. There could be a shift towards more interactive charts, 3D visualizations, and immersive presentations that engage audiences through virtual reality, VR, or augmented reality, AR, technologies. 4. Cloud-based solutions. Increased adoption of cloud computing will likely lead to cloud-based spreadsheet and presentation tools, offering seamless access, scalability, and enhanced security features for data storage and sharing. 5. Mobile optimization. Software developers may prioritize mobile-friendly versions, enabling users to create, edit, and present spreadsheets and slideshows on smartphones and tablets with ease. Impact on business and education. Times business organizations will leverage advanced functionalities to streamline decision-making processes, enhance data-driven strategies, and improve productivity through efficient collaboration and real-time insights. Times education. In classrooms, students and educators will benefit from interactive learning experiences, personalized tutorials, and virtual presentations that foster engagement and comprehension of complex topics. Overall, future advancements in spreadsheet and presentation software are poised to revolutionize how data is analyzed, presented, and shared, empowering users in both business and educational environments with innovative tools and capabilities. Reflect on the ethical considerations related to data security and privacy when sharing spreadsheets and presentations. What measures should individuals and organizations take to ensure responsible data handling practices? Ethical considerations regarding data security and privacy are paramount when sharing spreadsheets and presentations, especially in sensitive or regulated environments. Here's a reflection on these considerations and recommended measures. Ethical considerations: 1. Data ownership. Respect for intellectual property rights and ownership of data contained within spreadsheets and presentations. 2. Confidentiality. Safeguarding sensitive information, such as personal data, financial records, or proprietary business strategies, from unauthorized access or disclosure. 3. Data accuracy. Ensuring that data presented is accurate, reliable, and transparent to avoid misleading interpretations or decisions based on flawed information. 4. Informed consent. Obtaining consent from individuals or stakeholders before sharing or distributing data that may impact their privacy or rights. Measures for responsible data handling practices. Times encryption. Use encryption methods to secure files and prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data during storage and transmission. Times access control. Implement strict access controls and user permissions to limit who can view, edit, or share confidential information within spreadsheets and presentations. Times data masking. Mask or anonymize personal identifiers, example, names, social security numbers, in presentations to protect individual privacy while still conveying statistical trends or findings. Times regular audits. Conduct regular audits and assessments of data handling practices to identify vulnerabilities, ensure compliance with legal regulations, e.g., GDPR, HIPAA, and mitigate risks of data breaches. Times training and awareness. Provide ongoing training and awareness programs for employees on data protection policies, cybersecurity best practices, and ethical guidelines for handling sensitive information.